Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to make your eyes pop by using the colour wheel combined with colour theory and colour analysis. I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. I will also leave timestamps in the description box so that you can skip ahead to whichever eye colour that you are, so that you can learn how to make your own eyes pop without having to watch the whole video in order to find your own eye colour. Now, the thing to be aware of when it comes to making your own eyes pop is that just because your eyes are a cool colour or a warm colour, it doesn't mean that you use a warm version of different colours to make your eyes pop. Because sometimes your skin undertone can be different from the undertone of your eyes. Your eyes can be warm, but you can still have a cool skin undertone. So just be aware of things like that, okay? So we're going to start off with brown eyes. Now, if you have brown eyes, the best colour to contrast with brown eyes is green. If you have a cool undertone, go for a more blue-green, like this, or you can even edge towards a green like this one. But never go for yellow greens. Yellow greens are for people who have a warm undertone. So if you have a warm undertone and you have brown eyes, whether you have warm brown or cool brown eyes, if your skin undertone is warm, go for the yellow green rather than the blue green. Or you can go towards this green here, which is pretty neutral if you would like to. With summers and winters, we are better off in the blue-green area. With autumns and springs, you are better off in the yellow-green area to make your brown eyes pop. Next, we will go to blue eyes, which I have. And the best colour usually is, and we often get told this, we can go for golds or oranges, but that's not always the case, especially in my case. If you have a cool undertone and you use oranges and gold on your eyes, it can make you look drained. It can make you look like you have a bruise on your eyes. So the best thing to do is, rather than go for orange, for us, we are better off going more towards the red-violet part, because that is the warmest that we can go without being too yellow or orange. If you have a warm undertone, you have blue eyes, the good news is you can reach for your orangey reds or you can go for orange. So if you have a warm undertone with blue eyes, it's pretty straightforward. If you have a cool undertone with blue eyes, it's not as straightforward as using the complementary colour. So you will have to reach more for the red-violet instead. Go for a plum if you're going to go for a red-violet, especially if you're a summer. Next, we will go for green eyes. It's usually red, but because we don't want to look like we have red on our eyes, like we have sore skin on our eyes, it's best to go more for either an orange red if you are warm or red violet if you are cool. That is the best way to make green eyes pop. Now, if you are in autumn, you can go for the red orange. If you're in autumn or spring, if you are a summer or winter, go more towards the red violet. This is your best side. This is our best side for us with cool skin undertones. You can also use a warm brown if you have a warm undertone for green eyes, and you can use a cool brown for green eyes if you have a cool undertone. So you can use a tan if you're warm, or you can use a rose brown if you are cool. If you have really dark eyes, like really dark brown eyes, you can go for a white eyeline. That will really help it to pop and add a lot of contrast if you are a winter. If you are a summer, you can do that as well. But if you are a spring or an autumn and you have really dark brown eyes, go for more of a cream rather than an optic or pure white. You need to go for a white that has more yellow undertones to it, like a cream, so that it doesn't look stark against your warm complexions. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please leave any respectful comments or questions down in the comment section below. Please subscribe for more content, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye.